Hello kids, welcome to the class of EVS class 4. The chapter number is 6, Forest of India. Introduction. In India, forests cover up 1/5 part of the land. Apart from trees, bushes, shrubs, wildflowers and mosses are also a part of forests. So kids, today in this chapter, you all will study about the forest of India. So kids, हमारी country India में वो 1/5 part जो land है वो forest से covered है. Apart from trees, not only trees but forest में bushes, shrubs, wildflowers and mosses भी जो है part लेते हैं. Forests are home to wildlife. They are one of the natural resources of India. So kids, forest जो है काफी सारे maximum wildlife animals के होम होते हैं एंड इसी के साथ ये नेचुरल रिसोर्स है हमारी कंट्री इंडिया का. फॉरेस्ट आर वेरी यूजफुल एंड नेचुरल रिसोर्स एज दे प्रोवाइड अस मेनी थिंग्स. यूजेस ऑफ फॉरेस्ट. सो किड्स, फॉरेस्ट नंबर ऑफ वेज में यूजफुल होते हैं. लेट्स रीड देयर यूजेस. फॉरेस्ट प्रोवाइड विद हार्डवुड एंड सॉफ्टवुड यूज्ड फॉर मेकिंग वुड पल्प, पेपर, प्लाईवुड एंड मैचस्टिक्स. सो किड्स, फॉरेस्ट से आपको हार्डवुड और सॉफ्टवुड मिलता है जिसका यूज किया जाता है वुड, पल्प, पेपर, प्लाईवुड एंड मैचस्टिक्स बनाने के लिए. दे प्रोवाइड नट्स, बेरीज एंड फ्रूट्स. ये हमें नट्स, बेरीज एंड फ्रूट्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं. फॉरेस्ट आर द शेल्टर एंड फूडर ऑफ द वाइल्ड एनिमल्स. वाइल्ड एनिमल्स के लिए शेल्टर एंड फूडर फॉरेस्ट प्रोवाइड करते हैं. फॉरेस्ट प्रोवाइड मेनी प्रोडक्ट्स सच एज. सो किड्स, फॉरेस्ट से आपको काफी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स मिलते हैं, रॉ मटेरियल्स मिलते हैं जैसे कि गम, रबर, रेजिन, कॉक एंड कैम्फर. They provide medicinal plants and herbs. The trees of rainforest also provide medicines. So kids, forest जो है आपको काफी सारे medicinal plants and herbs provide करते हैं. Number of medicines आपको provide करते हैं. What help? A large area of land which is densely covered by trees and plants is known as a forest. So kids, वो large area of land जो completely और densely covered होते हैं trees और plants से, that are known as forest. Forest in India. India occupies 10th position in the world and 4th in Asia in terms of plant diversity. The forests are mainly of 5 kinds. So kids, India जो है पूरे वर्ल्ड में 10th पोजीशन ऑक्यूपाई करती है और एशिया में 5th पोजीशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ द प्लांट्स डाइवर्सिटी. एंड मेनली जो फॉरेस्ट होते हैं वो 5 काइंड्स के होते हैं. एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट. These forests remain green throughout the year and have a variety of trees that do not shed leaves at the same time. Thus, these forests are found in the regions which receive heavy rainfall throughout the year. So kids, evergreen forest यानी ऐसे forest जो throughout the year हमेशा green रहते हैं and इनमें काफ़ी variety of trees होती हैं जो कभी भी same time पर leaves को shed off नहीं करती. And ये फॉरेस्ट ऐसे एरियाज में होते हैं जहाँ पे हैवी रेनफॉल होती है थ्रू आउट द ईयर. दीज फॉरेस्ट आर फाउंड इन. सो किड्स, ये फॉरेस्ट आपको कहाँ कहाँ मिलते हैं? दे आर फाउंड इन असम, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, मेघालय, त्रिपुरा, slopes of western Ghats and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The important trees found in these forests are. So kids, evergreen forest में कौन कौन से important trees आपको मिलते हैं? That are the rosewood, sandalwood, bamboo, teak, ebony and mahogany. So kids, this is the picture of evergreen forest. The next is deciduous forest. These forests are also known as monsoon forest. The trees of these forests shed their leaves annually during autumn season. So kids, deciduous forest वो forest होते हैं जिनको monsoon forest भी कहा जाता है and इस forest की जो trees होती हैं वो annually autumn के time पे अपनी leaves को shed off करते हैं. Bamboo, sandalwood, teak, sesame, sal, mahua, sea mule are the examples of deciduous tree. So kids, ये सारे ही deciduous tree के examples हैं. They are found in. So kids, ये forest यानी जो deciduous forest होते हैं ये आपको कहाँ मिलते हैं? They are found in the wetter part of Deccan Plateau in the states of Odisha, Bihar and Andhra Pradesh and on the foothills of the Himalayas. Next is mangrove forest. These forests are found on the deltas along the coast. They are also known as tidal forest. The trees of these forests are survive in fresh as well as salty water of the sea. सो किड्स, ये जो मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट है ये आपको कोस्ट के साथ डेल्टास पे मिलते हैं एंड इनको जो है टाइडल फॉरेस्ट भी कहा जाता है। एंड किड्स, इन फॉरेस्ट की जो ट्रीज होती है ये फ्रेश एज वेल एज सॉल्टी वाटर जो सी का होता है दोनों में सर्वाइव कर सकते हैं। एज द लैंड where mangrove trees grow in extremely marshy, the roots of these trees tend to come out of the surface of the soil. So kids, जहाँ पे ये मैंग्रोव ट्रीज ग्रो करते हैं वहाँ की जो लैंड है वो एक्सट्रीमली मार्शी होती है, जिस वजह से इन ट्रीज की जो रूट्स होती हैं वो सॉइल के सरफेस से बाहर आने लगती है। वेस्ट बंगाल हैज द बिगेस्ट स्ट्रेच ऑफ मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट नोन एज द सुंदरबंस। सो किड्स, जो वेस्ट बंगाल है वहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ मैक्सिमम मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट होते हैं जिनको सुंदरबंस कहा जाता है। सुंदरबंस गेट देयर नेम फ्रॉम द सुंदरी ट्रीज ग्रोइंग हियर। एंड सुंदरबंस को अपना नेम मिला है क्योंकि वहाँ पे काफी सारे सुंदरी ट्रीज ग्रो करते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज थॉर्नी एंड स्क्रब फॉरेस्ट। These forests are mostly found in the dry area of Tamil Nadu. So kids, ये जो थॉर्नी एंड स्क्रब फॉरेस्ट है ये मेनली आपको ड्राई एरियाज में मिलेंगे। तमिलनाडु के कर्नाटका, आंध्र प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, मध्य प्रदेश, उत्तर प्रदेश and in the deserts of Rajasthan. Trees are very few as you can mostly found bushes here. Some of the trees found here are date palms, kikar and babu. So kids, यहाँ पे जो आपको trees मिलेंगे वो mostly कम मिलेंगे and mostly यहाँ पे bushes ही होती हैं and कुछ trees होते हैं जैसे कि date palms, kikar and babu. These trees can survive without water for a long time. And यही trees क्यों होते हैं? क्योंकि ये trees ऐसे trees हैं जो without water long time तक survive कर पाते हैं। So kids, this is the picture of thorny forest. Next is coniferous forest. These forests are covered with tall and cone-shaped trees which have needle-like leaves. The needle-shaped leaves of these trees help the snow to slide off during winters. So kids, coniferous forest, as the name suggests, यहाँ के फॉरेस्ट के ट्रीज काफी ज्यादा टॉल होते हैं और उनकी कोन शेप ट्रीज होते हैं एंड उनकी लीव्स जो है वो निडल लाइक होती है। अब ये निडल लाइक क्यों होती है? ये इसलिए होती है सो दैट जो स्नो होती है माउंटेन एरियाज में वो इजिली स्लाइड ऑफ हो सके। These trees help the snow to slide during the winter. These trees survive in cold temperature. The slopes of the Himalayas are covered with these forests. So kids, ये जो ट्रीज होती हैं ये हेल्प करती है स्नो को स्लाइड ऑफ करने में विंटर्स के टाइम पे एंड ये एक्सट्रीम कोल्ड टेम्परेचर्स में सर्वाइव कर पाती है एंड जो हिमालयन रीजन है वो इसी टाइप की फॉरेस्ट से कवर्ड है। द कॉन्फ्रेंस फॉरेस्ट आर फाउंड इन। सो किड्स, ये जो कॉन्फ्रेंस फॉरेस्ट है ये आपको कहाँ मिलते हैं? दे आर फाउंड इन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, हिमाचल प्रदेश, उत्तराखंड एंड अरुणाचल प्रदेश। द इम्पोर्टेंट ट्रीज फाउंड in these forests are, so kids, जो important trees आपको इस forest में मिलते हैं that are the pine, fir, oak, deodar and spruce. Now the topic is wildlife. Wildlife includes all type of wild animals, birds and insects that are wild and live in a natural environment of a region. So kids, wildlife में सारे wild animals आते हैं, birds और insects आते हैं जो काफी ज्यादा wild होते हैं और एक natural environment में रहते हैं एक particular region के। India has a rich variety of animals and birds. Government of India has provided homes to these wildlife animals by building various national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. So kids, India में rich variety है काफी सारे animals and birds की and हमारी government ने जो है काफी सारे जो है homes बनाए हैं इन wildlife animals के, जैसे कि national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. Various national parks, biosphere reserves and wildlife sanctuaries are set up in different parts of the country. And ये सभी जो है country के different parts में set up है। Wildlife sanctuaries. So kids, यहाँ पे आपको table given है, आपको sanctuaries के names given है and वो कौन सी states में located है वो भी आपको given है। Idukki, this is located in Kerala. Bharatpur is located in Rajasthan. Hazaribagh is located in Jharkhand. Dachigam Sanctuary is located in Jammu and Kashmir. Periyar is located in Kerala. Sultanpur Sanctuary is located in Haryana. Chilka Lake Sanctuary is located in Odisha. Now it is national parks. So kids, यहाँ पे आपको national parks के name given है, यहाँ पे state given है वो कौन सी state में located है, as well as वहाँ पे national parks में कौन से animals found होते हैं. So let's read this table. Kaziranga National Park is located in Assam. Animals are one-horned rhino. Kanha National Park is in Madhya Pradesh and the animal is deer. Panna is located in Madhya Pradesh. The animal is elephant. Jim Corbett is in Uttarakhand. The animal is tiger. Sariska, the state is Rajasthan and it is tiger. Ranthambore is located in Rajasthan. Animals are tiger and elephant. Periyar is located in Kerala. Animals are elephant. Sundarbans is located in West Bengal. The animal is tiger. Bandhavgarh is located in Madhya Pradesh. Animal is tiger. Gir is located in Gujarat state and it is Asiatic lion. Review the chapter. So kids quickly जो है पूरे chapter के main points को revise करते हैं. Land which is densely covered by trees and plants known as a forest. In India, forest cover 1/5 of the land. So kids, वो land जो densely covered होती है trees and plants से, that land is known as forest. And India की जो land है वो 1/5 forest से covered है. Forest provides shelter to wildlife and food to the animals. Forest जो है animals और wildlife को shelter और food provide करती है. The evergreen forest remain green throughout the year. Evergreen forest जो है throughout the year हमेशा green रहते हैं. Deciduous forest also known as monsoon forest. Deciduous forest को monsoon forest भी कहा जाता है and ये annually autumn season के time पे अपनी leaves shed off करते हैं. Mangrove forests are also known as tidal forest. Mangrove forest को tidal forest भी कहा जाता है. Check your knowledge. Section A. Objective questions. Multiple choice questions. MCQs. A. Tick the correct option. 1. Jim Corbett National Park is in the state of dash. A. Uttarakhand. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Assam. This is in Uttarakhand. 2. Sundarbans has dash forest. A. Mangrove. B. Evergreen. C. Deciduous. They have mangrove forest. 3. There are dash types of forests found in India. A3, B4, C5. They are 5. 4. India occupies dash position in the world in terms of plant diversity. A6, B9, C10. So in the world they occupy 10th position. 5. Deciduous forests are found in dash of Deccan Plateau. A. Sandy part, B. Wetter part, C. Mountainous part. They are found in wetter part of Deccan Plateau. 6. Cone-shaped trees which have needle-like leaves are found in dash. A. Mangrove forest, B. Evergreen forest, C. Coniferous forest. They are found in coniferous forest. B. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. 1. Coniferous trees have dash leaves. They have needle-shaped leaves. 2. The dash forest remain green throughout the year. The evergreen forest. 3. Deciduous forests are also known as dash forest. They are known as monsoon forest. 4. The mangrove forests are also known as dash forest. They are known as tidal forest. 5. Thorny forests are mostly found in dash areas. They are mostly found in dry areas. C. Write true or false against each statement. 1. The thorny forests are also called desert forest. True. 2. The deciduous forests are also called monsoon forest. True. 3. Forests provide shelter to many wild animals. True. 4. Mangrove forests are also called tidal forest. True. 5. In India, forests cover 1/5 of the land. True. D. Name the state where are these national parks situated. So kids, यहाँ पे आपको national parks के name given है and आपको बताना है कौन सी state में situated है. 1. Kaziranga National Park is situated in Assam. 2. Kanha National Park is situated in Madhya Pradesh. 3. Periyar National Park is situated in Kerala. 4. Sariska National Park is located in Rajasthan. 5. Panna National Park is located in Madhya Pradesh. 6. Gir Forest is located in Gujarat. Section B, subjective questions, E, think and write. 1. Define forest. Forest is a huge land of area which are densely covered with trees and plants. 2. Write 3 uses of forest. The 3 uses of forest are: number 1, it provides the fodder and shelter to the wild animals. Number 2 is they provide the number of raw materials such as timber, rubber and many more things so that they can be used as a raw material to be processed in industries. Number 3 is forest reduces the soil erosion and controls floods. 3. What has Government of India done to save the wildlife? The Government of India has done number of ways to save the wildlife. They have located and made national parks, wildlife sanctuaries as well as biosphere reserves in number of areas of the country in India to protect the wildlife. 4. How are forests important for wildlife? Forests are important for wildlife in number of ways. Forest is a natural home or habitat for the wildlife. They are protected in the forest. From forest, wildlife get the shelter as well as fodder for their survival. 5. How does wildlife sanctuaries protect the wild animals? Wildlife sanctuaries are the reserved areas where animals are kept in their natural habitat. At such places, these are reserved by government and hunting is banned in such areas. So, wildlife sanctuaries protect the wild animals, they provide the fodder to the animals and a natural shelter to live and move freely. 6. Name the different kind of forest found in India. The different kind of forest is found in India are: number 1, mangrove forest, number 3, deciduous forest, number 3, evergreen forest, number 4 is coniferous forest. Section C, Creative Zone, Life Skills. With the help of given clues, fill in the name of national parks and wildlife sanctuaries of India in the given crossword below. So kids, यहाँ पे आपको एक crossword puzzle given है, इसे complete करना है with the help of these clues and आपको इंडिया के wildlife sanctuaries and biosphere national parks के names यहाँ पे find out करके लिखने हैं. Down to the Project Tiger of Kerala. So it is Periyar. P-E-R-I-Y-A. Periyar. 3. The wildlife sanctuary in Odisha. So kids, it is Chilika. C-H-I-L-I-K-A. Chilika. 6. The famous wildlife sanctuary in Tamil Nadu. That is Bird Sanctuary. 7. Protected National Park for Tiger in Rajasthan. It is Ranthambore. R-A-N-T-H-M-B-O-R-E. Ranthambore. 9. The wildlife sanctuary in Kashmir. It is Dachigam. D-A-C-H-I-G-A-M. Dachigam. Across, 1 national park in the east famous for elephants and rhinos. It is Kaziranga National Park. K-A-Z-I-R-A-N-G-A. Kaziranga. 3. The oldest national park in Uttarakhand. It is Jim Corbett. C-O-R-B-E-T. 4. National park famous for Asiatic lions, Gujarat. It is Gir National Park. G-I-R. So kids, इसी तरह से आप remaining rest tool जो है find करके वर्ड सर्च में लिखोगे, which are 5 a national park in Maharashtra, 8 the home for famous Bengal tigers. Life skills. Discuss about the importance of forest among your classmates in the presence of your teacher. So kids, इस चैप्टर में आपने काफ़ी सारे इम्पोर्टेंस पढ़े फॉरेस्ट के, कि फॉरेस्ट क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है, उनके क्या यूजेस होते हैं। इसी सेम टॉपिक पे आपको जो है अपने क्लासमेट्स के साथ जो है डिस्कशन करनी है इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ योर टीचर। Thank you kids. I hope you enjoy the learning. See you in next class.